Hello guys, it's your girl again with another video. So today I will be doing a Thanksgiving design on my shirt, and it's gonna be like a mama Thanksgiving shirt, and I'm gonna be using Thermo Flex Vinyl. So let's get into this video because I am ready to start working right now. So I already got my design and I already got it printed. I already got it cut on my Cricut, and I'm just going to weed it for you guys. And for those of you that don't know, that don't like to weed, I love to weed. It's something that is very therapeutic to me. I really love to weed. Just an FYI, if you guys want me to do a full video from my Cricut machine to the weeding and to the printing on my shirt, let me know. I'll do that for you guys. But this video is for those of you that already know how it works. But anyways, if you don't really know how it works, like the settings, all you need to use to cut your images everyday iron on, and you'll be fine. But anyways, let's get into this video by weeding this vinyl and placing it on our shirts. As you can see, this is my Cricut is ready to cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this blinking light, and while this is cutting, I will get my shirt prepped, ready for this, ready for the cut. And I'm just moving my camera backwards. And our settings, you always want to look at what your settings is. For Thermo Flex, it is 320 to 330, so I always go for the highest. So I'm going to go for 330. If you guys want me to show you how you can set up your machine, let me know. I can make a video on that, but every machine is different, so you guys know. But it's pretty much a walkthrough. So I am going to go ahead and pull my drawer, and I'm gonna use my lint roller to get all the lint out of this shirt so it doesn't transfer into my design, because we don't want that. So after doing that, I am going to go ahead and preheat this shirt. So make sure you are changing your lint roller, because you don't want it to get into your next project. So let me do this again because I did not change it. Sorry for the sound. The noise from the Cricut can help it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so it's fresh by the time I'm ready to use it. So now I am gonna preheat this shirt so that it can take out all moisture or any moisture from the shirt. So I'm gonna preheat it for 5 seconds, or however amount you want to preheat it for. It doesn't matter. Just preheat the shirt so as to take out all the moisture from the shirt. So this is like working hand in hand. While this is running, you're making sure you're taking care of this. So I actually left this for 15 seconds, which is not wrong, nothing bad with that. It's 100% up to you. It's not gonna hurt if you go longer. So I have my neck measurements ruler. I usually use this to know where to place my design. So this is what I'm gonna be using. My Cricut is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and unload it with this blinking lights here, and I'm gonna start cutting this image. It is so pretty. Like, I cannot wait to place this on this shirt and you guys can see it. Actually, I love to use a bigger scissors because I have it now. When I didn't have it, I usually go for the small scissors. And you can actually use a cutter if you want to. If you know your lines are not straight, you can use a cutter. I have a cutter, but I never use it. I used it in my beginning stage of this, but afterwards I'm like, you know what, I think I got it. So I'm just making sure I don't cut the design off. So you want to make sure you really pay attention. And if you realize that you cannot really see the design, you can actually buy a weeding, I don't know what they call that, I'll put it on the screen. It really helps you to, it shows you, like it's like a light. It helps you to detect where exactly to cut, so you don't make any error. But anyways, I am gonna go ahead and weed this. So welcome to my weeding table. This is where I like to weed. So I'm gonna start from the side here. And my placement on the mat, I forgot to tell you guys, for those of you that are new to this, is pretty shiny place down. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. Weeding is my favorite part of this whole thing. Like, I don't, even if I decide to go another route on printing my shirts, on printing shirts, I will still keep this because it is very therapeutic for me. I really love to weed. It just feels good reading. So for those of you that are trying to make up your mind on if you want to go this route, because there are different ways you can print your shirts, for me it is a route that I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and weed this. And you want to make sure, oh, I'm dropping stuff. You want to make sure that you get all the part that is not supposed to be, and make sure you get it out of the carrier sheet, because that can mess you up. That can get into, if it gets into your design, it's just going to be part of your design, and you don't want that. So make sure you take it out from the carrier sheet completely. Don't let it sit there. Like, I'll take it out later because you may forget it. So make sure you take it out right away. I love this design. I bought it from Etsy. If you guys not familiar with Etsy, I don't think anyone is not familiar with Etsy. Etsy is this platform where you can buy designs, you can sell your products, you can do a lot on Etsy. You can sell the t-shirts that you can sell your t-shirt on Etsy. You can pretty much do buying and selling on Etsy, and I love Etsy so much. So this design is coming together. Was this supposed to be there? There we go. So this is it. You can see this little piece is sticking on it. I'm gonna take it off because I don't want it to get into it. You can see how pretty it is. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this part here off, making sure I don't cut the design off. So now I got a little puzzle part off. So now it's time to get the shirts together. I'll lift this up a little bit. This is gonna be so pretty. So I can see my heat press is 330, perfect. So the trick that I do, I put the designs to be, I give it a pinch here. When I'm folding this, I do not fold by the carrier sheet, I fold by the design, so you guys know. And just something you need to pay attention to, because we can forget. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this design on the shirt. There we go. So I'm going to use my T ruler to make sure I got the middle. So what I like to do, I use my T ruler and use this just to make sure it is horizontally placed correctly, which it is. So if you can look at it, it is horizontally placed. Perfect for me. So do not forget to get your measurement ruler, neck ruler, and everything that needs to get off. And I just like to use this here just to get this. You don't even have to use it. Okay, I'm making sure I'm looking at my design to make sure I'm not missing nothing, and it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on it so I can get an even distribution of heat. And remember, it's for 330 for ThermoFlex and 15 seconds. So we're gonna wait for this to give us the beep beep sound, and we'll just baby.
Okay, this is hot.
It is hot. So I'm gonna open it up. Move backwards, mama. So whew, it's hot. Looks pretty. So this is a one peel. So I'm just gonna let it cool off a little bit.
No.
And I'm gonna go for it.
Alright, go.
There we go. You see that? You see that?
I like it.
You do? Me too.
I thought that's my shirt.
It's too big for you.
Wow.
You see that? Yo.
Hooray.
So pretty.
Woohoo!
So guys, this is how it came out. Came out so beautiful. I love it. Like, it is so pretty. Woo-wee. And I'm ready to put this on my website. If you are interested, go check it out on my website. It's gonna be there, or on my Etsy store. Love this. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want me to do a review on a wash, on how it's gonna look when I wash it, let me know. I will be doing a review on a wash test for this, and we're gonna see how it's gonna act when after washing it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can know when I post a video, because your girl is going to be dropping valuable videos every week. And also, do not forget to hit the like button, smash it, because that way other crafters can see this video and it's gonna be helpful for them. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.